New York City, even in the 1934, had a sizable Jewish population. Maybe she was shy, who knows. But she learned my mother was Jewish, my background, and she asked my mom if my mom would show her my mom's horns. My mom told me she was mortified. She had never heard this Christian stereotype that Jewish people have horns. Which brings to mind the most famous example is Michelangelo's Moses, a huge sculpture in some church in Rome. And there are countless examples of Jewish people with horns, some engaging in bestiality and engravings, sculptures in churches and cathedrals. I visited a church in a town in England with English friends of mine, where they had engravings. They had stained glass windows, big horns. This actually goes back to translations of the Jewish Bible back in the Middle Ages. Jewish scribes translated from the Aramaic as rays of light, and Christian monks, I guess, translated it from the Aramaic as horns. And it became like an ugly stereotype, Jews as devils. Anyway, and of course the Nazis picked up on this